Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to introduce you to the TSL UMD Protocol Simulator, a tool designed to simulate TSL UMD DDAC devices and their controllers. This project uses Python and Tkinter library to create intuitive graphical user interfaces. We'll also see how it packs and unpacks data using the TSL UMD protocol. First, let's understand the context. The under-monitor display and tally system is crucial in broadcast studios and outside broadcast events. It provides operators with essential information like camera assignments and tally status, indicating whether a camera is live or on standby. This system ensures smooth communication and coordination during the live broadcast, enhancing operational efficiency and reducing the risk of errors. Inspired by my father, an expert in audiovisual system integration, I developed this simulator to help him and others in this industry. It is a valuable tool to testing and debugging UMD systems, especially when physical controller or UMD devices are unavailable. With this simulator, operators and engineers can ensure their configuration and protocols are correctly implemented before going live. Now let's dive into the project components. Message classes. This class handles data storage and conversation under the TSL UMD protocol. It includes methods to pack data into bytes and unpack bytes into a structured format. UMD DDAC class. This class simulates a TSL UMD DDAC device with a GUI. It reads incoming data, updates the device states, and reflects these changes in the GUI. UMD Semi class. This is the main controller GUI for managing multiple UMD DDAC devices. It allows you to add and delete devices, send data to a specific device, and auto-validate the data being sent. Now, let's see the simulator in action. Here we have the UMD controller interface. Now let's create a new device and create another device. And we can also delete a device. Simply click the close button on the device window. And next, let's send data to a specific device. I'll enter the target address, adjust tally and brightness settings, and input the display data. One click send, the data is packed and sent to the target device. And as you can see, the device GUI updates immediately, reflecting the new settings and display data. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or need further information, feel free to reach out.